AWS Directory Service is a fully managed Microsoft Active Directory service that allows you to use your existing Microsoft AD credentials to access AWS resources. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 7 things about the directory service in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, AWS Directory Service makes it easy for you to set up and run directories in the AWS cloud. You can also connect your AWS resources with an existing on-premises Microsoft Active Directory. Number 2, to create a directory, you'll need basic information such as a fully qualified domain name, admin account credentials, and the VPC you want the directory to be attached to. Number 3, after your directory is created, you can use it to do things like manage users, provide single sign-on to applications, create group policies, and join Amazon EC2 instances to a domain. Number 4, AWS Directory Service enables you to use your existing corporate credentials when accessing AWS applications such as Amazon Workspaces and directory-aware Microsoft workloads such as custom .NET and SQL Server-based applications. Number 5, you can also use your existing corporate credentials to administer AWS resources via AWS IAM role-based access to the AWS Management Console. Number 6, AWS Directory Service supports CloudTrail logging. This means that any actions performed via the AWS Directory Service APIs or the Management Console will be included in your CloudTrail audit logs. Last but not the least, number 7, you can configure Amazon Simple Notification Service to receive notifications in the form of emails or texts when the status of your directory changes. In summary, AWS Directory Service is a highly available managed service that includes patching, software updates, and automatic domain controller replacement so you can improve your time to market. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.